Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am writing a Python program to accept the dimensions of the shape. That is to accept breadth and height of the shape and determine whether it is a square or a rectangle by using if-else statement. Here, if the length and breadth both are having a same value, then it will be a square. If they are having a different value, then it will be a rectangle. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening a Python interpreter. As you know the steps for opening a Python interpreter. In this particular video, I am writing a program to accept the dimensions of the shape. That is to accept the length and the width and determine whether it is a rectangle or a square by using if-else statement. So this is an interpreter. I am creating a new file by using a shortcut key Ctrl+N. So this is the new file. Just I adjust the size of the particular file. So now I will write the comment that is nothing but just the program name. So hash Python program to determine whether the shape is square or rectangle. To determine whether the shape is square or rectangle. Write an program to determine whether the shape is a square or rectangle. For this, I will be requiring two dimensions. One is the breadth, another one is the height. So I need to read those two values. For that purpose, I will use brd equal to int, open the bracket, then write input, open the bracket, within the single quotes, enter. The first one is the breadth, enter breadth of the shape, space, single quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close, press enter. Then read the length. I will take the variable as len, then read the height. I will take the variable as heg equal to int, open the bracket, then write input, open the bracket. As you know, you can write the single quotes as well as double quotes. Now I am writing a double quotes. Then the prompting message, enter height of the shape, space, double quotes close, bracket close, bracket close. So I have used an input function. So for more information regarding the input function, you can watch the previous videos in my YouTube channel. Then we'll be using the condition if space. So what is the condition? If brd, that is the breadth, equal to, that is double equal to symbol, height heg, colon. So if this particular condition becomes true, then in the next line, so you can observe the indentation space. So one indentation space it is. So here, if the condition becomes true, then we can write print, open bracket, within a double quotes, you can write it is a square. It is a square, double quotes close, bracket close. That means if breadth and height are equal, then it is a square. You can observe the indentation space. Then next press the backspace. Now the cursor has come to the first position in that particular line. Then here write else, colon, press enter. Observe the indentation space, print. So if the condition becomes false, then it will come to the else part. Then here you can write it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Double quotes close, bracket close, press enter, press the backspace. So if you enter the dimensions values of breadth and height, if both are same, then the condition becomes true. Then it will be displaying it is a square, then it will come here, means after the else part. Suppose if you enter the breadth and height value as a different, then this condition becomes true, then false, it will be coming to the else part, then it will be displaying it is a rectangle, then it will come to the next line. So now I will save the program. The shortcut key is Ctrl S. So here I will write SQRRAC. Click on save. Now run the program. The shortcut key is F5. So here enter the breadth of the shape. I will give 5. Press enter. Enter height of the shape. I will give 5. So when I give both the values as 5, that means it is a square. So again, if you want to run once again, then again come to the script mode, press F5. Here I will give different values. Breadth as 5, height as 6. Press enter. Now it is displaying it is a rectangle. If you want, you can directly close this interpreter. Then you will be in the script mode. Press F5. Again give the different values. For example, 10. Another value I will give as a 3. That means both are not equal. That means it is a rectangle. To run once again, you can close the interpreter. You can come to the script mode. You can use the shortcut key F5, or you can just click on run in the menu bar and then run module. An interpreter will be open. So here I will give the same values. For example, I will give breadth as 100 and height as 100. So it is a square. Right, that is what, if these two values are same, that is the breadth and height, then it is a square. If they are not same, then it is a rectangle. That is what it is, the usage of if-else statement to determine the shape is a square or a rectangle based upon the dimension values of breadth and height. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.